So today we're going to talk about single crocheting and how to do that. It's the very basic building block of amigurumi and a lot of crochet work. So to single crochet into a chain to start, I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain from hook. So you can see that this is the first chain from hook, this little circle loop, and this is the second. We don't work into the first because that's where the loop that's on our hook is coming from this first loop. And if we stick our hook into that, we undo that chain. So we're not going to do that. We're going to stick our hook into the second chain from hook, yarn over, pull up. Now we have 2 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. And that makes a single crochet stitch. So to work a single crochet, insert into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through all 2 loops. Now we have 2 single crochet stitches. Insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'm going to do a series of single crochet stitches. These are the single crochet stitches that are worked into the chain, and then we're going to work back along the single crochet stitches just to demonstrate what that looks like when you're working into a single crochet instead of working into a chain stitch. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 single crochet stitches. I can count those because each set of these double loops here is 1 stitch. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also count them from the front, but I find it a little easier to go off of these loops. This is the front of the work where you can see these little V's. That's what a single crochet stitch looks like when you yarn over, which is what I recommend in all Crafty Intentions patterns, unless I break that rule, which is possible. This is the back of the work. You can tell it's the back because it has these little horizontal bars along the back of the stitch. So again, the front and the back. So now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to work back along these single crochet stitches, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to work back along them, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like to work along them from the front. So we're going to insert that hook into the back of the stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's a single crochet. Insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you do that across the entire row or as the instructions state. And that's what it looks like to work back along the stitches that you just made. Now instead of doing that, I'm going to demonstrate how to turn this into a 3-dimensional circle. So to do that, we will insert our hook into the first single crochet that you worked. Yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now we're going to keep working into the next available stitch and the next until we have a little tube of single crochet stitches. I hope that helps.